Welcome back to the Wizard Shop. Today we're going to do a quick little video. It's going to be comedy. It's not going to be informative. There won't be anything useful at all. So this will just help you guys smile, maybe get a few laughs during this situation we're in. And I hope you guys enjoy it right after this. How's it going, boys and girls? Here we are at Omega Auto Clinic. We just opened this business here not too long ago. We're working on cars and trucks here and trying to get things fixed for folks. When they come on down and they got problems, we get it taken care of for them. Well, these mother truckers bring their cars on through here. We'll get it taken care of, get them a bill, and that's where I get paid. Let's go take a look around inside and introduce our office staff. Here we are in the office, and over here we have our office man, Dave. He answers the phone, he takes and makes appointments, and he also sells his farm equipment out here. That's pretty much all that goes on in here. Let's take a look outside in the shop. We got a few cars actually in the shop. We're really booming right now. We've got this Excursion in here. It's having some problems with the glow plugs. We got it all apart. We already got it fixed. We got a bill written up. Everything's going to make this customer happy here, and we're going to continue to get more and more customers. I hope this business grows real big. We got a lot of space to fill in here. We need cars to fill this space. This was the first customer we have. We also have a couple more in the shop, and it's continuing to grow. I'm really excited about it. See if we can get this thing fixed here.
Hey, Dave, I got a guy on the phone that wants to schedule a Ferrari.
A Ferrari?
Yeah.
Boy, we're really moving up on the world, ain't we?
Do you want me to get that all scheduled in and stuff?
Yeah, get him scheduled in here.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm really going to get into that exotic game with these Ferraris coming in here. I tell you what, that's really going to bring the money in here. It's really going to grow this place even bigger than I ever dreamed of. Boy, I tell you what, this is sure a pretty car. This is one of them exotics cars. Beautiful car, it sure is nice. Well, he brought it in here. We got a few things to get fixed on it. This here is going to be my ticket to fame and fortune. I guarantee you right here, this is going to be it. These exotic cars, this is going to be where it's at. Well, I found the problem on here, and I'm going to get this taken care of here pretty quick. This is not a hard issue to fix at all. I'm going to keep these coming in the door. I'll be a millionaire in no time.
Man, it's really great having these exotic cars come in here. They're really helping me balance these books. It was looking kind of scary there for a while, but this is, those domestics just aren't cutting it. I hope he really, really takes off with all these exotic cars.
I got a Lotus scheduled.
A Lotus? Oh boy, we're really getting these exotics in here now. I ain't hardly done with this one. Well, this is really one cool Lotus here they brought in here. It's got a 4-cylinder engine. This thing is just really neat. This is going to make me famous. I'm going to get this thing fixed up. They're going to be so happy with the work. They're going to probably vote me for mayor of the city or maybe even the governor. Well, I guess I better get started on it and get this thing going and get my fame growing.
Got a guy on the phone demanding to speak to you. Very urgent, it sounds like.
Very urgent, huh?
Very important or something.
Hello, this is Dave.
Hi, Dave. I hear you work on exotic cars.
Yeah, I've been getting into them exotic cars. I got a few in the shop already.
Yeah, I got me one of them hoopty fleets full of exotics. They're all broken.
A hoopty fleet, huh?
Yeah.
You say they're all broken?
They're all broken. I need you to come fix them. Or I can bring them to you, but I need them all fixed right now, right here. Drop everything and fix them.
Oh boy, I definitely could do that. When are you planning? You want to bring them today? We'll take them in today.
Be there in 5 minutes.
I'll be looking forward to that. I'll be watching for you. Come on down. We'll bring them in and bring them exotic cars on in here.
Very good.
All right, well, thank you. Well, hello. Come on in.
I hear you're some kind of wizard.
That's what they say. You brought one of your cars down already, did you?
I got a Lamborghini.
A Lamborghini?
Yeah, it's making a weird noise.
Oh boy.
It's a
That
weird-
sounds like money in my pockets, what it sounds like to me.
Yeah, well, you can take a look, and I'll bring you some more if you want.
Oh, you got more? You said on the phone you got a whole bunch of them.
A fleet of them.
A hoopty fleet, huh?
A whole fleet.
Well, let's get that Lamborghini in here and let's get started.
So, it's getting a little crazy around here. All these cars coming in. I mean, they're definitely helping these books out, When I met Dave, several years ago, he really was, had a dream of making it big. And man, he's really looking like he's making it happen. Those loud cars, man, that's hard to get used to. Those domestics really aren't that loud.
So I've been taking these little bags here, and what I do is I open them up. And these wonderful smell inside of these exotic cars, getting into the exotics. I take a big scoop of it here, close it back up. I'm selling these. I'm gonna put these out for sale, so if you in the market for a Ferrari, but maybe you can't necessarily afford one, you can just open the bag, take a big smell, and smell what a Ferrari smells like on the inside. This right here is gonna turn me into Dave Exotic. They're gonna know me around the world, Dave Exotic.
Okay, I really don't know what's going on out there anymore. He's making these music videos. I don't get it. And he's selling these freaking bags of air. What the heck is going on here? This isn't fixing cars. I don't understand it. This isn't bringing the money in like he promised it was going to be.
Boy, that sounds like a tiger more and more every time you keep revving it.
This here is an Aston Martin.
Aston Martin, is it?
Yes.
Where'd you pick this one up? How long have you had it?
A while from a place here. Key.
There's the key to it, huh?
Yes.
You got some work to do on this one. We've been working on the Lambo. You just keep bringing them in, and we'll keep on taking your money from you. I'd be happy to do that.
See that? Yes, you take special care of her.
It sure is nice.
Very, very nice. Yes. Yes, I'm gonna go do something.
You're gonna go do something? Well, you go do what you're gonna go do, and we'll get this taken care of for you. Get this thing moved on over to the lift here. What in the world's this? Turo? This dang car's a rental car. Ain't no way I can work on this. This ain't even his car. I tell you what, I'm gonna have to have a word from him. This is crazy. This is getting out of hand. This is getting really out of hand here. I've got a word to speak with you. Here's your key back. In fact, that's not your key. You know what I found in your car? I found a Turo receipt. You've been renting these cars. That ain't even your real car, neither is that one.
But they needed fixed.
They need it fixed.
Yeah.
You can't rent cars to somebody else's car and bring them in the mechanic shop. I'm gonna go broke.
I needed them fixed so I could keep driving them.
Keep driving them. Let them take care of that.
I don't know what to say. I just drive them and you need to fix them. I'm a billionaire.
You're a billionaire.
Yes.
And you got to rent all these cars.
Well, yes, it makes sense financially.
Financially?
Yes. Right now, I am not very, as they say, liquid. I have to diversify my portfolio. In the meantime, I have to rent my hoopty fleet, but it still needs.
What do we got going on here?
One of the exotics took my arm.
It took your arm off.
Yep.
We ain't got time for that. Tie that stuff off and get back to work. These exotics need to be taken care of.
All right.
Get on to it.
I got money.
I'm never going to recover from this. You got money, huh?
I got money.
You got money.
Yeah.
Well, I suppose we can work something out. What if the rental-car company finds out I've been tearing their cars apart?
Yeah, I'll sell a tiger or something.
Oh, you sell a few cubs?
Yeah. I need that Lambo fixed because I got a hot date with a girl named Carol.
Carol?
Yeah.
Does she live in Florida?
Yeah.
I think I heard a few things about her. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Well,
put her back together.
Will that be the last one I do? I ain't going to get myself in trouble over this.
All right. Well, I'm going to go do some.
Do something. I know what you're going to go do.
I'm waiting.
I might have to get stuck doing these domestic cars. These exotics is getting out of hand around here. I don't even know what in the world I'm going to do right now. I don't know what's next.
Dave, I got some guys, FBI guys in the office.
FBI?
Something about arson.
Arson?
Yeah.
I don't know nothing about that. I don't.
They want you to come in the office. They want, yeah.
What do they say I've been burning?
Something about exotic car fires?
Oh, I don't know nothing, but you tell them I never heard nothing about that.
Okay, I'm going to go back in there, but
Tell them I'll come on in there in a
they want
minute.
to talk with you.
With me, huh?
They want to talk with you.
Well, I'll be right in there. I don't know nothing about no arson. I don't know anything about no exotics being burned up. You guys are going to hear from me. You're going to hear about this from me.
Out you go.
Get outside.
Oh,
Well, goodness, what are we going to do now?
Well, I know a lady down in Florida that can bankroll this thing, but it's under the condition that I take over as owner-operator of Omega Exotic Clinic.
Well, let's do it.
Sweet. He's fired though.
But I like him.
Big Dave, he's fired.
Okay, he's out of here.
And you're on probation.
Man, okay.
Wait, she signs the paychecks.
I do.
Yeah.
well, thanks for guys for following along. I know that was pretty cringy. It's also pretty crazy, but I thought you guys could get a few laughs, a few smiles. In the situation we're in, it puts a lot of grimaces on people's faces.
I went a little too method acting with this and spit on your floor. I'm sorry.
Well, that's okay. Clean, clean, clean.
Here you go. No, don't touch it. No.
No, delete that part out. We'll be back to fixing cars and talking about cars on the next episode. And again, thanks for watching. I'll make my little limp. So you just wanted to get the excursion?
Hey, back up.
Okay,
Stop talking.
okay. Right here?
Do you want me to film this or not? Okay, go.
You want me to do this? You want me to film this? Then step back! That's not the funniest thing I've seen. The angry director.
Yeah.
Right, you're working on a car.
I need to open the hood.
Preferably.
Well, let me get it open here.
See, I just need to film behind the scenes.
Yeah, you can on the scene and post it on
Should I
your
pop
channel.
it? Preferably. That's what mechanics do. This is.
That's what I'm used to that.
What do we do now?
Well, I know a lady down in Florida.
Come on.
I know it's.
This is the cringiest ever. Okay.
That's why it's going to go viral.
Alright.
You ready? You let me know when you're ready. I'll do my line again.
Alright.
Yeah.
I can't do it. Okay. Character. Scene. Character. Alright. You clean up my spit. The one with one arm clean up my spit.